Hello and welcome everyone. We hope you're having a great day and it's only about to get much better. Get ready for a weekend filled with happiness. I'm sure by the end of this event, you would appreciate the significant improvement in your app development skills. If you can't tell by the puns already, I'm really excited for this and I hope that you are all too. This is the second version of Apptitude, ACM-VIT's hackathon for the app developers out there. I'm Chirayu along with Vaishnavi, and we'll be your host for this event.
Well, that was quite a funny start. Aptitude provides a platform for all those budding developers to showcase their skills and grow their network.
Exactly. As app developers, quite often we find ourselves arguing over which is better, native or cross platform. But the beauty of this event is that it brings everyone together. It's very inspiring to be around people who have similar interests and are passionate about the same thing as you.
I completely agree. And when you see others working hard, it really motivates you. That's why we highly recommend the participants to interact with each other and grow their network. We provided you with the platform. Now it's up to you guys. By the end of the hack, not only do you upskill yourself, but also make a couple of good friends along the way.
You know, App development can be quite challenging, and a lot of people are intimidated by it. But we can assure you that we have something for everyone in this hack. Doesn't matter if you're a novice or a seasoned developer. I'm pretty sure you would learn something new by the end of this hack and have lots of fun along the way. What a nice way to spend the weekend, isn't it?
Not only that, but who knows, you might end up having an amazing project under your belt.
If you haven't joined our Discord server already, well, what are you doing? Join it now. Not only will our team help you with whatever technical or non technical doubts you might have, but spoiler alert, we're going to be having an amazing gaming session, and I'm pretty sure you don't want to miss that.
Now let's address the in the room, shall we? The prizes. This edition of Aptitude is much bigger than prizes and show worth 50,000 rupees.
Well, this just got a lot better, didn't it?
Of course it did. Our sponsor for the hack is Cello, a mobile first platform that makes financial dApps and crypto payments accessible to anyone with a mobile phone. With special worth 10,000 rupees from Cello this weekend just got. We would like to express our gratitude to Cello India for helping us take this edition of Aptitude to an even greater level.
Okay, hold on a second. In the start, we said that this event has something for everyone, right? Well, I don't see anything for the freshers.
Well, hold on, my friend. There is a 5,000 rupees prize for all the freshers out there.
Whoa, I wish I had some motivation like this when I started out with app development.
Those get a prize of 15,000 rupees, followed by the runners up getting 10,000 and the third place getting 7,500 rupees.
Now, if that wasn't enough, we'll also be having prizes for our in hack event, Bug Bounty. More on that later.
This edition of Aptitude gives you four. Also, might I add, all of these tracks are in alignment with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals.
We would like all of you, the best minds of app dev, to apply your skills and come up with solutions for these pressing issues that the developing countries are facing all over the world. So, shall we have a quick run through of the tracks?
Yes, the first track is quality education, something that's very close to our heart, isn't it? It aims to ensure inclusive and quality education for all and promote lifelong learning opportunities.
Our second track is good health and well being. Again, something that's very close to my heart. It aims to make a bold commitment to end the epidemics and achieve universal health coverage and to provide access to safe and affordable medicines and vaccines for all.
Our third track is climate action. It entails acceleration of current efforts focusing on reducing consumption of fossil fuels, enhancing energy efficiency, and also to involve transformative change through innovative and complex solutions, and promote the development of new climate smart infrastructure to meet the energy needs.
The fourth track is industry innovation and infrastructure. It aims at promoting sustainable industries, investing in scientific research and innovation, and bridging the digital divide to ensure equal access to information and knowledge, as well as foster innovation and entrepreneurship.
We also have a special sponsor track by Cello. In order for a team to be eligible for this track, they must include any Cello technology in their project. You can use the Cello platform to develop sustainable solutions for the world, contribute to Cello's mobile first blockchain platform, and leverage the power of its blockchain features to build financial products that are open, mobile, and real. The possibilities are limitless.
Well, that is a lot of options for the participants to choose from. Along with this, we have a special addition to the hack this time, the feature generator.
I am a bit confused about this feature generator. Could you explain what it is?
Of course. So, along with the projects that the teams will come up with, the feature generator will randomly generate three features of varying difficulty: easy, medium, and hard for each of the teams. For every feature out of these three that the team is able to implement in the app, they'll get bonus points.
So, to summarize, every team will be given three features, and the more features they can implement in their app, the more points they'll get.
Exactly. Quite neat, isn't it?
Yeah, and the best part is that the features will be of varying difficulty level. So, even if you're not that confident with your app development skills, you could still give it a go.
So now that we have talked about all the good part, let's get into the details. It's time we walk you through the event and the important timestamps that you need to keep a watch at. I'll repeat myself. If you haven't joined our Discord server already, make sure to do so because all the information and updates about the hack will be posted there.
The problem statements will be posted at 9:30 p.m. today on our Discord. Hope you guys are ready because there's not much time left.
We'll be having a Cello workshop at 10 p.m. on how to build and deploy a decentralized application on Cello. So keep an eye out for that.
Our guest speaker for the workshop will be Elio Jordan Lopez. He is an experienced full stack blockchain and web developer who is also an ACM-VIT alumnus. Being a Cello India Fellow, he and we're sure that you'll take away immense knowledge from the workshop.
We'll be having a first round of submissions for review 1 at 12 p.m. tomorrow. In this, you will be explaining your idea and its implementation.
Shortly after that, at 1 p.m., we would start our in-hack event, the Bug Bounty.
Now, we hate it when we find bugs in our applications, don't we? But surprisingly, it's quite rewarding when you find a bug in someone else's application. Well, that's exactly what you have to do. The event will be on our Twitter handle, and all the rules regarding the event would be posted there. But just to give you a gist, you would have to find bugs in well known applications that are on Play Store or App Store and submit a short video of you demonstrating that bug on our Twitter handle. If you're still confused, don't worry. We'll have example bugs for you to see and bonus points if you can explain why the bug is there.
Additionally, you could also write down a feature that you would like to see on any of these well known apps. So make sure to follow our Twitter handle because there will be a prize given to the winners.
The deadline for the final submissions is 1 p.m. on Sunday on our web app. which will be up soon, and the live pitches will be at 5 p.m. By the way, speaking of our web app, have you seen our web app yet? Because if you haven't, I'm about to show you a quick demonstration so that you'll get familiarized with its workings. So just give me 1 second. Yes, so I, this is a progressive web app made by the web team. And as you can see, you will have to sign in with Google. And I had already logged into the app previously, so that's why it directly took me to the home page. But after you sign in with Google, it would ask for your phone number, and when you type your phone number, you would get an OTP verification, and upon entering the OTP, you would come on the main screen of the app. So the timeline displays the entire timeline of our hackathon. So whatever we discuss over here, if you forgot about it, just go and see it in our web app. And the team feature, initially you also have an option to create a team or join a team when you log into the app. So since I had already logged into the app, I had already created a team, and this is the team code. And this team code that you'll see over here, you can send this team code to your um, team members, and when they enter this team code in the join team screen, they would be added to your team. And the submissions tab is there for making your Google Drive submission and GitHub repo submission. And we have the sponsors, the prizes, and about us in the app, as well as the problem statements and the feature generator that we talked about. So basically, when you click on this button, it will generate features, and every team will get 3 features. And if you can, so the 3 features that I've gotten here is listen for Wi-Fi toggles, implement navigation draw with a minimum of 6 items, and push notifications using Firebase cloud messaging. So the more features you implement out of these 3, the more points you get. So ideally, you would want to implement all 3 of these features in your app. So that was a progressive web app, and hope you enjoyed it.
So, brace yourself, guys, for 3 days packed with incredible speaker sessions, in hack events, and adventurous and thrilling hackathon at its finest. We hope you all are as excited as us for this event. And let the hack
Yes,
begin.
thank you.